What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over some of the different YouTube advertising campaign types and some of the different YouTube advertising formats. So when you're in your Google Ads account and you go to create a new campaign, when you're going through the campaign building process, the first thing is going to be what is your campaign objective. So for this, let's just say we're going to create a campaign without a goals guidance, and then we're going to click on video. You can see some of these different video subtypes here. So this is what I'm going to go through today. And then in addition, with different subtypes, you're going to see customize your own settings with skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or in-feed video ads. Skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, or bumper ads. So for different campaign subtypes, you can actually run different video formats. So let's come over here and go through some of the different video formats first. So if we're looking at YouTube ad formats, the 6 main options you have are skippable in-stream ads. So this is the most common advertisement type on YouTube. You probably see them all the time if you're on YouTube, where you have the option to skip an advertisement that is playing either before, during, or after a video. Now, non-skippable in-stream ads, very similar, except they're 15 seconds or less, and you're not allowed to skip them at all. In-feed video ads. So in-feed video ads are actually thumbnails that will appear under the YouTube search results. They'll appear on the YouTube homepage, and they'll appear in the YouTube Watch Next feed. So in-feed video ads, people actually have to click on the advertisement to view your video. So it's a little bit different than some of the other options that run as someone is watching a video. So with in-feed video ads, it's actually a thumbnail. You're going to get a headline. It's going to show your brand name. People can click it and actually watch your video. Now, bumper ads are 6 seconds or less. These are also non-skippable in-stream ads, but they're 6 seconds or less makes them bumper ads. Outstream ads appear only on mobile devices. They'll appear on mobile websites or in mobile apps. They don't appear at all on YouTube. So it's only on the Google Video Network, and outstream ads will play automatically within content, and they will generally start playing as someone is scrolling through the website, or maybe they're switching pages. It will start playing and people have the option to click it and listen to the advertisement as well. So the video is going to autoplay on mobile devices. Now, masthead ads, these are the advertisements that are featured at the very top of the YouTube homepage. With masthead ads, you can't actually create campaigns that will allow you to run this video ad format directly through Google Ads. With these, you actually have to go through a Google sales representative and purchase a masthead ad. So masthead ads are definitely for large advertisers who, for example, it might be a movie studio that wants to advertise a new movie that's coming out on Friday or the following week. So that's an example of a masthead ad. So going a little deeper into the different ad formats, skippable in-streams before, during, and after videos, run on the YouTube network and Google Video Partners, 11 seconds or longer for skippable in-stream ads. They will work with all campaign objectives. And then the different bidding strategies you have, you can choose every different bidding strategy with skippable in-stream ads, depending on the ad campaign that you're running. Now, non-skippable in-stream ads, pretty similar before, during, and after, YouTube and Google Video Partners. The main difference is they are 15 seconds or shorter. They only work with the brand awareness and reach objective, and they use target CPM bidding. So you're bidding for every 1,000 impressions of your video advertisement. In-feed video ads are a clickable thumbnail. They appear on YouTube Home, YouTube Watch Next, and the YouTube search page. Promote any length of video content. So for example, I could use one of my 30-minute tutorials and put that as an in-feed video ad and promote it to people who are actively looking up that type of content. These work with the product and brand consideration objective, and they use maximum cost per view bidding. Now, bumper ads before, during, and after videos as well, YouTube and Google Video Partners, 6 seconds or shorter, and they work with the brand awareness and reach objective and target CPM bidding. So outstream ads are mobile only ads. They only work on Google Video Partners, automatically play with the sound off. Hey everyone, thank you for your support watching my videos over the years. If you want to continue to support my channels while also using some of the best marketing tools, you can try either SEMrush or SpyFu if you haven't already. Both are great PPC and SEO tools. If you use the link at the bottom here for either one, they are affiliate links, so it will help support my channel and support Surfside PPC. If you're not interested, no problem. Back to the video. And viewers can click the video to enable sound. They run on a viewable cost per 1,000 impressions. Now, masthead ads we just went over as well. So let's come back over to Google Ads, and let's just say, for example, we want to run a ad sequence campaign. So with ad sequence, it allows us to use skippable in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads, or a mix. So with ad sequence, we're able to look at some of the different ad formats. So if we scroll down as we're creating our campaign, one of the things you're going to see is we create a step. So when we create a step for a video sequence campaign, what we need to do first is find our video and paste the URL from YouTube. So let's start with the shortest video first. So we have a 6-second bumper ad right here. So we're going to copy the link address, and what we're going to do is paste this video. So with this video, it's automatically going to opt to a bumper ad. And what we want to do is enter our final URL, our display URL, our call to action. So I'm just going to enter these really quickly just to give you an idea of how these different ad formats look. So we'll enter our final URL here. Okay, and I've also uploaded a companion banner here as well. So let's scroll to the top, and what you can see over here is an example of how our advertisement is going to look on YouTube on mobile devices. So you have the advertisement, it's 6 seconds, there's no option to skip. We have our call to action and our headline and our display URL. If we go on computers, you're going to see the companion banner over here to the right-hand side, and we have some ad copy here as well. And there's also an overlay on computers, so people can click on that overlay and go directly to our website. And then last but not least, showing it on a TV device. So if somebody's watching YouTube on their TV, it looks just like this. So a 6-second ad quickly plays. So let's get rid of this advertisement and we'll come over here again. We'll do this 15-second ad. So we'll copy the link address. We'll paste it here. And you're going to see when you enter this, it's going to give you some different options depending on how long your advertisement is. So if we enter something, so this is a 14-second advertisement, we're not going to be able to run a bumper ad because it must be 6 seconds or less. This will allow us to run a skippable in-stream ad or a non-skippable. So let's just say we do non-skippable. Let's zoom a little bit. All right, and this is what it's going to look like on mobile devices. So we have our call to action, very similar to bumper ads, except it's just a longer video. So we have our companion banner, we have the overlay here on desktop devices, and then last but not least on the TV, same exact thing. So very similar to a non-skippable in-stream ad. Now let's just do one more, our 30-second advertisement. We'll copy this here. Now keep in mind, you can run really long video ads. There is a full hour-long webinar just running as an advertisement on one of my videos recently. So I've seen everything from 30-second ads to minute ads to 2 minutes to 5 minutes. So you can try different length of videos, and it can be especially useful if your goal is to educate, because it's very hard to educate in a short period of time. So you might want to say you want to take 3 to 5 minutes to educate somebody on exactly what it is you're promoting, all the benefits they're going to get from it. You can try that along with a 30-second advertisement. So especially if you're running skippable in-stream ad formats, the only requirement is that your advertisement needs to be 11 seconds or longer, because after 5 seconds, viewers are going to have the option to skip. So it doesn't make sense to run a very short skippable in-stream ad. You might as well do at least 30 seconds, or you could also run a 15-second ad as a skippable in-stream. But there's no downside if you're running advertising campaigns like this to try some longer ads as well. So if you have the ability to make a 2-minute, 3-minute, or 5-minute advertisement, give it a try and see what works best for your business. So with the timing, just keep in mind, skippable in-stream, you have a ton of options. Bumper ad, 6 seconds or less. Non-skippable in-stream ad, 15 seconds or less. So this is what a skippable is going to look like on a mobile phone. So it gives people the option to skip the advertisement. Really the only major difference. See the same thing here on a desktop devices, skip advertisement. And then if we're on a TV, they can skip the ad as well. So just different ways that your advertisements are going to look on YouTube. So the other thing we can do here is let's just come back to the top, and we're going to click here and come back to campaign objective. So let's just say, for example, we'll make this smaller again. Let's say, for example, we want to use the sales objective. So we have our conversion goals. We click on continue. We do video. The only option we have is drive conversions. So let's come back over and looking at some of the different YouTube ad campaigns. So drive conversions, non-skippable in-stream, target frequency. So with target frequency, you could actually say you want someone to watch your video advertisement multiple times in the same week, and you can set that as a target for your advertising. Ad sequence, you can show people your advertisements in a specific order. Efficient reach campaign, so that the ultimate goal is to reach as many people as possible without spending a ton of money. And last but not least is influence consideration. So A lot of these are product brand consideration type campaigns. So if you're looking for the best possible results, I would highly recommend using the sales or leads objectives and then making sure you're optimizing for your conversion goal, selecting the video campaign type, and using drive conversions. So that's what I would recommend using. Now, if we come back to the top here, we change our campaign objective to product and brand consideration. We're under video. You're going to see influence consideration here. Influence consideration of your products or brand with skippable in-stream ads or in-feed video ads. So if we click on continue real quick, let's just show what in-feed video ads look like. So we'll come down and we'll copy our URL here and we'll paste it. And what you're going to see is in-feed video ads. So this is going to be our thumbnail. You can choose your thumbnail. So you can change it if you want to. Let's just set this as our thumbnail. This is an example of our in-feed video ad on YouTube search on a mobile device. So somebody searches, let's come over here to search. Somebody searches something on YouTube and you're going to see the advertisement right here. You have ad, description 1, description 2, brand name. So we can enter a headline here that's going to replace right here. And then you can enter your description lines. And this is what an in-feed ad will look like on YouTube search on mobile and on desktop. So on desktop, somebody searches, you'll see the advertisement right here. So let's do YouTube Watch Next. So this will appear on the right-hand side for the Watch Next. And if we go to the mobile device, again, as people scroll down after they watch another YouTube video, it'll show up on the video page. So next will be YouTube Home. So you're going to see a mobile device, YouTube Home. And if we come to desktop, the in-feed video ad format will only appear on the YouTube mobile homepage. When people are scrolling through different videos, they may see this one. So just an example of all these different ad formats. Let's come back out to our campaigns. So we're going to leave this page. So that's product and brand consideration. There's influence consideration, ad sequence. Next is going to be brand awareness and reach. If we choose video, you'll see a video reach campaign. So that's efficient reach, non-skippable in-stream ads, and target frequency. You could also do an ad sequence here for the brand awareness and reach campaign. So that makes up all the different ad campaigns that you can use. Drive conversions is going to give you the best possible results. A lot of the other ones are definitely more for branding, awareness, product consideration. So that's where you would want to use those goals. And then when we're looking at the different ad formats, skippable in-stream ads are going to be the most common ad you see, but you're going to see plenty of non-skippable in-stream ads, in-feed video ads, bumper ads, and then outstream and masthead ads, not as popular. Masthead only on mobile devices on the Google Video Network, so never on YouTube. And then masthead ads you actually have to purchase through a Google sales representative. So if you have any questions about some of the different ad formats you can use and which ad formats you can use with some different campaigns, please leave them in the comment section. And if we come over here, one thing to keep in mind is I have a YouTube advertising tutorials playlist where I've gone over all of these different advertisement types and campaign types, so you can easily figure out how to use some of these different advertisements and some best practices. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.